Shivdas Bob, आता तुमचं exhibition start झाला नाही?
Right.
How many days will it go on for, and what is the purpose of it? Popularizing books?
Yeah. See, first time we have been organizing this book exhibition,
Yeah.
Goa Konkani Akademi. Of course, we were organizing book exhibitions in Pune and other parts, but even in Goa also we have got some centers.
Yeah.
Where we provide one table, one cupboard, and books and discount on the sale. And where there are some centers, Ponda, Sange.
On a continuous basis?
Yeah.
Ongoing?
So, yeah. So we supply them books. Some they sell and manage it on whatever the discount they get. Now, since I took over as president of this Goa Konkani Akademi last January. Of course, we have got the scheme of running library and all that, but this is the first time we are organizing this sort of exhibition, book exhibition for quite 1 week.
The idea is to
in capital.
Promote the reading habit.
Promote. We have got our good titles published by Goa Konkani Akademi.
How many?
About nearly more than 150 titles we got. And as you know, that is these days many books are coming out. Our new budding writers are, and we have been encouraging them in our scheme Poilo Chovar. That is we
Writers
provide,
first book.
75% financial assistance to every writer, particularly budding writers, to encourage them to become a writer. And we got a good response.
Mr. Shivdas, there are a lot of books and there are a lot of writers, but readers and distribution seems to be a problem.
Yeah, right. You are right.
In all languages.
Yeah, right. In Konkani also we are facing, because Konkani is comparatively just small language compared to other languages, big languages. And here in Goa, what has happened, what I have observed, our readership is divided in many things. For example, educated people are reading English, Hindi and other languages. Beyond that, after going particularly community-wise, if I go, Catholic and Hindus, they too are divided. They are not the one reader of one language, particular language. They read English, particularly Catholic community in Goa, they read mainly English. The Hindus are reading Marathi. And in this tussle, Konkani, the local language of the people, are facing a big problem, particularly.
But actually, to promote all books, there is a problem in the sense that distribution of even English books is difficult in Goa.
Yeah, maybe, but I'm talking about the Konkani language, because I'm more concerned about Konkani language. And here in Goa now the things are changing. Secondly, the media has affected us, TV and other media, internet and all
people
that.
Are reading less.
People are reading less. That is one thing. Students also, what I found that being a teacher also, my experience is that teacher, students are only reading their textbooks just to get through.
Yeah.
They don't read even textbook just to get the knowledge out of it, but to prepare to answer the questions.
Or they may not read a newspaper also.
They may not read the newspaper also. I know that the general knowledge of our present students is very, they don't read, they don't refer at all. Right. So what today our speaker, Mr. Sheikh, Professor Sheikh also rightly pointed out this issue, that the students should read subsidiary reading. They should refer other readings, not only just to increase their knowledge and all that.
As far as books, publication of books goes, what are the plans for coming out with new books? What topics you all are working on?
Generally, we get a lot of books on poetry.
Yeah.
Maybe it is
that's
at the beginning.
Konkani, a lot of writing.
Because creative writings with the inspire in Konkani, but other form of literature also, because fictions are coming.
No, it is to be expected that the mother tongue would inspire in the creativity.
So there are short stories are coming.
What about non-fiction?
Non-fictions such as one science and all that. Then essays are coming. Then mainly one medical. Then medicines also. There are books are coming now. We have got one and different.
Any chance of publishing a PhD thesis that are coming out related to?
Some theses have been published.
I see.
For example, our Dr. Tanaji Harankar's thesis has been published in
that is on the Panchayat.
Panchayat. Yeah. There are so many theses. Olvin Gomish has published his thesis. Then there are so many. They are publishing the thesis. They are coming.
Per year, how many books you are publishing?
Thesis?
No, books. General books.
See, per month, I can tell you, last month only about 7 books have come.
I see.
In next week, about 4 books, new books are coming. There is an invitation. This is a three books are coming
I see.
at a time.
I see.
There is one 1st of June.
Yeah.
3 books are
I
coming.
see. I see.
One at one
At
time.
one time.
Last week I have published about 5 books.
So what are the schemes available? The first writers.
First
scheme?
writers. We in Goa Konkani Akademi particularly, we of course we encourage only in Konkani language.
Yeah.
We don't because Goa Konkani is mainly working for only development of
Yeah.
Konkani language, not any other language.
It can't be in another language
no.
on Konkani. No.
No.
They are dealing with the Konkani subject.
If they write some information regarding Konkani,
Okay.
something about, then we don't publish, but
Yeah.
we buy the books.
Okay.
We
Okay.
buy the books for our libraries, but we don't publish.
Okay. But it won't come under the first writer scheme.
No.
Okay.
In other language only.
Okay.
The writer has to write in Konkani only.
Any script.
Any script. We
Yeah.
don't have any script problem here.
Yeah.
Those who express their writing in Roman script,
Yeah.
we buy Roman books.
First writer.
First writer only. There is nothing, no discrimination
Yeah.
as far as script is concerned.
Yeah.
Both many writers are there who have written Roman script. Goa Konkani has a.
So this is the only scheme available as of now.
Beside that,
Yeah.
this is the for the new writer.
Yeah.
Beside that, there is Sahitya Pradnya, Sahitya Prabha, that is established
I
writers.
see.
Those who are established, if the books are good,
Yeah.
then we publish them and we buy their 100
I
copies
see. I see.
as a financial assistance.
As far as publishing books goes, what are the main bottlenecks? Printing is a problem or distribution is a problem?
Distribution is the problem. Printing is not a problem. Due to the modern technology,
Yeah.
printing has become very, at ease.
Easy.
Like
You can
within
typeset it.
within one week, one can bring a good new book
Correct, yeah.
within 1 week.
Yeah.
It was not so
Yeah,
before.
yeah.
So
With
the
types
printing,
and all that, it was very tough.
Very tough. Now the distribution of the books. So we have got bulk of books here now in our Dargah, the library beside here, and we are trying to now distribute them in different institutions, particularly educational institutions, other cultural association. Now we have kept 50% discount. We are giving free sets to the centers, book centers, colleges. Free center contains of 100 books in one set.
I see.
So we have distributed today. Also we have distributed sets.
Reviews are also a problem.
Reviews are coming, but not of all books. Reviews are coming in Konkani paper.
पण माझे इस्पान नहीं reviews should cross the language barrier. Because it is a Konkani book, it shouldn't be
No,
published
not
only in Konkani.
No, not necessarily.
It's not happening.
Reviews are published in English paper also of the Konkani books.
Rarely.
Rarely, but see what is happening.
Yeah.
Writing of English on Konkani books. Only those writers like you can you can know the Konkani book and
Not
you can
even
write.
me. Not even me. I'm not very comfortable. No.
So
No,
that is the
but
problem.
why? Inter-language skills are essential. Inter-language skills are much as
Some reviews are appearing in English paper also.
But more could be done.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot and all the best.